Good morning, everyone and everybody. Welcome International Conference on Agriculture, Biosystem and Technology ICON ABT at December 2023. I will presentation about my full paper, the title Financial Based Digital Technology Transformations as an Early Adapter to increase the productivity of superior agrobusiness farmers and MSMEs in a sustainable manner in the West Java Province, Indonesia. My name is A.G.P. Ratenandingsi from Economic Faculty, Borobudur University, Jakarta, Indonesia. It is an important farmer in Indonesia to be aware of the development of digital, which is increasingly occurring in business and industrial enterprise, agriculture and agrobusiness sector. Agriculture function as a provider of food, fodder for livestock, and bioenergy. The role of agriculture, especially farmer, are very strategic supporting the national economy to achieve food security, increasing competitive, absorbing labor, and overcoming poverty to realize food sovereignty by 2045. Indonesia needs accelerated agriculture transformation from being based on natural resources to being based on financial innovation. For introductions, the things that support the financial transactions that are safer, faster, and activity mentioned above are continuing to transform the agriculture sector and collaborating with financial-based digital systems such as agricultural technology system, services based on accurate, efficient, effective financial transactions that are safer, faster, and cheaper in line with the challenge of the digitalization era. Needs whose important is prioritize are quality public services for farmer, agriculture, entrepreneur, and business. People, agrobusiness industry in the agriculture, entrepreneur, and business. People, industry in the agriculture sector, and agriculture, agrobusiness. Financial transactions are faster, more economical, and cheaper, and are in demand by customer, especially in the agriculture and agrobusiness. The latest developments of a system that is capable of storing accurate data using digital technology facilities based on financial technology, for example, the use of QRs for farmers. Agriculture projects with certain logo combination that are updated in collaboration with management parties who serve transaction for farmer activities and make it easier for farmers to carry out transactions for their daily activities. Of course, this with the agro-farmers logo, for example, which allow farmer and agro-business entrepreneur and agriculture produce to use them in transactions, especially for the agriculture business sector only. Identification problems. The importance of increasing financial-based digital technology transformation to support the agriculture sector and agriculture agro-business, which is more productivity and favorable in a sustainable era in the future in Indonesia. For formulation of the problems, have farmer, agrobusiness farmer, MSMEs, entrepreneur in the agriculture agrobusiness sector in Indonesia, use financial-based digital technology transformation services optimally in their daily business activity in Indonesia, especially for farmers who are involved in the agriculture industry sector optimally in its daily activities use financial-based digital technology service optimally and sustainably. The aim of this study, increase knowledge and increase the experience of researchers in research and especially for farmers in the agriculture sector For livestock player in the agribusiness sector, MSMEs, business actors, especially those who use the Curate's mobile banking network. Benefits of research for farmers, of course, and agrobusiness farmer in particular. It is hoped that they will increase their capacity in use financial and network digital business technology facilities well, efficiently, effectively, well, and correctly, so that in the future it is hoped that the productivity of their agricultural product and agricultural result can increase optimally, maximally, and sustainably. Theoretical basis in 2013, agriculture can show that the average RUPT income reached 26,561 million per year, around an average of IDR 2 million per month. Poverty studies related to farming and international research carried out in depth in a number of developing countries were coordinating with the Chronic Poverty Advisory Network and funded by the United States government and implemented by the Overseas Development Institute, or ODI, the British EMER ODI 2016, UACAR 2016. The result of their research generally concluded for them in permanently alleviating poverty by Muller and Chan MT 2016, ODI 2016 B. Scott et al. 2018, Spert and Scott 2018, namely increasing productive asset in carrying out agricultural businesses, facilities immigration and the non-agricultural economy, improve the education and skill of farmer and family members, increasing the effectiveness of social protection in dealing with the turmoil of the life. The MBPB study 2015 found the main determinant of farming families working and doing business in the agriculture sector as follows: land control, agriculture income, family education, and job opportunity in the agriculture industry sector. Transformation can be growth and development enhancing good, but also growth and development looking bad, so it must be managed. Transformation can be chosen as economic transformation or between sectoral transformation among subsector, agriculture business, transformation and transformation family farmers. The process of digital and financial-based economic transformation for local agriculture and agrobusiness is not easy because it is related to measuring the level of wage and income of farmers in Indonesia. Therefore, strategic policy are very necessary for benchmarking and further identification in understanding the core agricultural sector and productivity in a maximal and sustainable manner the future. Management of the agriculture sector, especially local agriculture, plantation, animal husbandry, and other agricultural agrobusiness sector takes into account the following: sustainable development of downstream and upstream production center based on financial technology support by food security in interchain-based systems, building a network and connectivity of production center and other financial-based digital technology with the region through Indonesia, especially regarding infrastructure and logistics system in general. Agriculture digital technology can be defined as the application of information and communication technology through networks and application. The aim is to assist agricultural sector actors in making decisions and utilizing research or World Bank 2020. According to Mercy Corps and Rabobank reports, there are 55 agricultural digital technology in Indonesia. These digital technologies are generally still in the early stage C or early ventures. Agriculture digital technology emerged from a public and private partner scheme KPS through the Indonesian Japan Horticultural Public Private Partnership Project AZHOP4, where small farmer can be connected to loan programs through blockchain technology, enabling farmer data to be stored digitally. The use of agriculture digital technology is able to provide positive change for farmers. McKinsey Data 2020 estimate that the use of modern technology in the agriculture sector can increase economic output by up to 6.6 billion per year US dollars. The presence of agriculture digital technology such as 10UB, which connects farmers. Research methods. The research carried out use a symmetric qualitative descriptive method which aim to understand the object being studied in depth according to by Sugiono 2013. The descriptive method is a research method used to examine the condition of object unscientifically as opposed to the experiments, where the researcher is the key instrument. Data collection techniques are carried out by direct interview with agrobusiness farmer in the Bogor region, Sukabumi, and Bekasi, West Java. In this qualitative descriptive research method, the researcher took the population and respondents from MSMEs operating in the agricultural, livestock, agrobusiness, and other agriculture sector. This systematic descriptive qualitative method was used in this research because the research conducted focused on a state of a natural object where the researcher himself was also the main instrument in this research by Sugiono 2016. For analysis result and discussion. Agriculture is a very important sector in the Indonesian economy, especially researchers taking the province of West Java as for example. West Java has an agriculture potential distribution of 70.5%, making the agriculture sector the backbone of the economy in West Java. For example of the use of agriculture technology to improve the welfare of Indonesian farmer, the first fundamental challenge is that there is no priority scale for the adoption of digital technology in the agriculture sector by the government. This can be seen in the strategic plan of the Ministry of Agriculture for 2020 until 2024, which has not yet specifically provided a strategy for adoption. Digital technology match crops and Rabobank 2020. As a result, government support to create this program has not been limited and is not evenly distributed. The role of agriculture extension in this case is very much needs to be improved, considering that there are still very few agricultural extension workers from the government who can reach farmer by World Bank 2020. Based on the result of interview, the farmer in the agrobusiness sector were satisfied and agree with the financial-based digital system networking services that they had carried out so far for daily trade transaction, and they generally agree very much if the financial-based digital technology network system was carried out through agro farmers as a digital code for carrying out transactions for the activities of local farmers and rural farmers in agriculture and farmer production areas. Supporting facilities to increase agriculture production. For local and domestic, access digital financial technology network, access certain QR code services, 35% support the proposal agro farmer coded, 10%. Facilities from government and other institutional support services, rice farmers, other farmer 45%, farmers in other agribusiness sector 40%. For conclusion, there are still many obstacles in implementing digital technology transformation in the agriculture and agrobusiness sector due to the lack of access to technology in rural areas using accurate and reliable financial-based technology network. From network perspective, they are still limited to potential services based on digital technology due to farmer lack of knowledge and lack of mastery of information technology, making it difficult for farmers to carry out financial transactions based on digital. It is highly recommended to use financial based in digital technology in carrying out transactions related to agriculture agrobusiness. improving and providing further knowledge and understand regarding the use of digital technology facilities and digital transformation adequately with the aim to be more effective and efficient. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much for your everybody attention and consideration. Good morning. Thank you.